Morning, everyone. Me and Panda are taking a walk around the yard. Well, now she's barking. Been cleaning the yard up, trying to get rid of all the winter debris and everything. Geez, this tree flowered even more. Wow, pretty. And my other fruit trees are starting to get buds on them. This is a clementine, tangerine tree. Panda's taking me for a walk. She's the barker. That's my little chihuahua. These are my rose bushes over here. I took these two out of the pot and put them next to my other one. I got two other ones here. Big pine trees. Just a little morning walk. Got a lot more work to do out in the yard. Come on, Panda. That's the tangerine tree right there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye for now. Say bye, Panda. Bye-bye.